Hi, it's Jennifer from the Craft Patch. Are you ready to get crafty? Today we'll be dabbling in upholstery. If you've never upholstered anything before, don't worry, it's easy, and I'll show you every step of the project. I've partnered with Arrow Fastener to show you how to turn a basic wooden crate that you can get at any craft store into a custom upholstered storage seat. The first thing you'll need is a pre-made wooden crate. Like I said, these are available at pretty much every craft store. Depending on the condition of your crate, you may need to sand the rough spots. Once the wood is smooth, you can paint or stain your crate any way you'd like. I used a few different colors of chalk paint because you know I just can't resist a chance to use fun colors. The next step is to cut a piece of plywood to use as the base for the lid. Measure around the top of the crate and cut the wood so it fits flush with the crate. I nailed on some optional 1x1 pieces of wood to the underside of the lid to help hold it in place. The extra wood pieces keep the lid from sliding off the top. For the next step, you'll need a glue gun. I'm using my trusty Arrow glue gun. It's the best one I've ever owned. It doesn't drip glue everywhere. It can be used with or without the stand, and it doubles as a cordless glue gun for up to 5 minutes at a time before it needs to be plugged back into the stand. Use hot glue to secure a piece of upholstery foam to the seat. The next tool we'll use is a staple gun. I switched to an electric staple gun and I've never looked back. It makes stapling so much quicker and easier. It's a simple tool to use. Just open the chamber on the bottom, load it with 5/16" staples, and clip it back into place. To upholster the seat, lay a piece of fabric right side down on your work surface. Then top it with a piece of batting. Place the foam side of the seat on top of that. Use the staple gun to secure the fabric down all around the underside of the lid. Be sure to pull the fabric tight and smooth it out as you go. And don't worry, if you mess up, you can always pull out the staples and try again. Once all of the edges are stapled down, it's time to tackle the corners. Smooth one side of the fabric down, tuck it around the edge, then fold up the other side of the fabric to give yourself a smooth pleat right on the corner. The last step is to trim off all the extra fabric, and then you're done.